Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert Indian rupees symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word. First I'm going to increase the font size. So to insert the Indian rupees sign, you have to simply type 20B9. And now select the text, press Alt plus X. And here you can see the Indian rupees sign is added. You can also add the Indian rupees sign by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.